children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe. So children, today we are going to start a new story. So are you all excited for today's class? Yes, I hope all of you are excited. So today we are going to start a new story. So look, all of you have this book with you? Look at the book. This is our new story book which we are going to start today. So all of you go and bring this book. Go and bring this book. Okay. I hope all of you have this book with you. Right. So let's start our class. First of all, children, please look carefully in the cover page of the storybook. First of all, look carefully. So, from the picture, can you guess what the book is about? Yes, by looking at the picture, can you guess what the book is about? Okay, first let's look what we can see in this picture. Okay. Yes, what we can see? A boy, right? We can see a boy. Then a bird. Yes. Then clouds, sky, a big tree. Look, there is a big tree. Yes. So, can you guess now what the book is about? Maybe the book is about this boy and this bird, right? So, let's see. Okay? Now, open your first page. Slowly and carefully. Okay. So, now look at this page. So, what are the objects you see in the pictures? Look at the picture carefully and tell me what are the objects you can see in these pictures. Look, newspapers. What we can see here? Newspapers, right. Then the boy. What's the boy doing? The boy is reading a book, right. Then look, table. Then there is a book on the table. Then pot. Right. Yes. Then look, there is a plant. Yes, there is a plant. Where do you think the boy is? Yes. The boy is lying on the floor, right? Yes. Okay, now turn your page slowly. Slowly turn your page and look at the picture. Look at the picture carefully. So, look at the picture carefully. Where do you think the boy is? Yes? Where do you think the boy is? The boy is near the window, right? The boy is near the window. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is looking out of the window. He is looking out of the window, right? So, do you think he can hear a sound? Yes, do you think he can hear a sound? Yes, maybe he can hear a sound. That's why he is looking out of the window and searching something, right? Okay, now look at this page. Look at this page carefully. So, is the boy looking for something? Yes? Look. Yes, Maybe the boy is looking for something, right? By looking at the picture, we can say that the boy is looking for something. Where is he looking? He is looking back of the table, right? No, this is a sofa. He is looking at the back of the sofa. Yes. So, can you tell me from where the sound is coming? Can you tell me from where the sound is coming? No, right? So, we have to look at the next page to know from where the sound is coming. Okay, now let's turn to the next page. Slowly. Okay, now look at this page carefully. What has the boy found? Yes, what has the boy found? The boy found a bird. Right. The boy found a bird. Yes. So, what is wrong with the bird? Look, the bird is hurt, right? Look at the bird. The bird is hurt. Yes. Okay. Now look at this page carefully. Do you think the bird is scared? Yes? Yes. Because the bird don't know the boy, right? So he is scared. Okay. Now turn to the next page. Okay, look at the picture carefully. What is the boy doing? Can you tell me what is the boy doing now? The boy is taking care of the bird. Right, because the bird is hurt, right? So the boy is taking care of the bird. Yes. Now do you think the bird is scared of the boy? No. Now the bird is not scared of the boy because the boy is taking care of the bird. Right? Okay. Now turn to the next page. Slowly. Yes. Now look at this picture carefully. So, is the boy helping the bird? Yes. Is the boy helping the bird? Yes, the boy is helping the bird. Right. Do you think the bird is scared? Yes? Yes. Because the bird don't know the boy, right? So he is scared. Okay. Now turn to the next page. Okay. Look at the picture carefully. What is the boy doing? Can you tell me what is the boy doing now? The boy is taking care of the bird. Right, because the bird is hurt, right? So the boy is taking care of the bird. Yes. Now do you think the bird is scared of the boy? No. Now the bird is not scared of the boy because the boy is taking care of the bird. Right? Okay. Now turn to the next page. Slowly. Yes. Now look at this picture carefully. So, is the boy helping the bird? Yes. Is the boy helping the bird? Yes, the boy is helping the bird. Right. Look, the boy is helping the bird. How is he helping the bird? He has taken out the thorn, right? Yes. The boy is helping the bird. Okay. Now turn to the next page. Okay, look at this page. Do you think the bird can fly? Yes, look at the picture. Do you think the bird can fly? No, the bird cannot fly because the bird is in the boy's hand, right? So, by looking at the picture, we can say that the bird cannot fly. Yes. Now look at this picture. Move to the next page. What is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? Look. The boy is climbing at the tree. The boy is climbing up the tree, right? Yes. So why is he climbing up the tree? Why is he climbing up the tree? Because he wants the bird to keep the bird in his or her nest, right? Okay. Turn to the next page. Yes, look at the picture carefully. Why do you think the boy is scared? Can you tell me? Look, there are some bees, right? By looking at the bees, the boy is scared now. Yes. Do you think they are dangerous? Yes, do you think? Yes, they are dangerous because they sting, right? Okay. Turn to the next page. Look at the picture carefully. So, what has happened here? Yes, look at the picture. What has happened here? The bees sting the boy. Right? The bees sting the boy. And do you think the boy is hurt now? Look, look. Yes, the boy is hurt now. And he is in pain, right? Yes. Now turn to the next page. Yes, look at the picture. What do you think the bird is trying to do here? Look at the picture. What do you think the bird is trying to do here? Yes, the bird is flapping her wings. The bird is flapping her wings, right? Yes. So, why is the bird trying to help the boy? Can you tell me why is this bird trying to help the boy? Because the boy helped the bird. Right? When the bird was hurt, the boy helped the bird. So now the bird is helping the boy. Right? Okay. Now look at this page carefully. Why is the boy running away? Can you tell me why is the boy running? Where is the boy running away? Yes, the boy is running away because of the bees, right? Because of the bees. Okay, where do you think he is going now? Can you tell me where do you think he is going now? Yes, maybe the boy is going to his home now. Right? Okay. Now turn your page slowly and look at this picture. Do you think the boy can smell something? Look at the picture carefully and tell me, do you think the boy can smell something? Yes, right. Look, he can smell something. The boy can smell something, right? Yes. Do you see someone inside the house? Look, do you see someone inside the house? Yes, a lady, right? So, who could it be? This is maybe the boy's mother, right? Okay, he is cooking something. Okay, now turn to the next page. Okay, look here. What is the mother doing? Can you tell me what is his mother doing? Yes, his mother is pulling his hand, right? His mother is pulling his hand. Okay, now turn to the next page. Okay, look at this picture. So, what is the boy eating? Yes, what is the boy eating? The boy is eating some cookies, right? The boy is eating some cookies. So, who do you think made the cookies? Yes? Maybe the boy's mother, not maybe, the boy's mother had made the cookies, right? Okay. So, what are the boy and his mother doing now? The boy and his mother, they are talking to each other, right? They are talking to each other. So, children, do you talk to your mother every day? Yes? Do you tell your mother what you have done daily, what you have done in the day? Yes? They are talking. Do you talk to your mother daily? Yes, very good. I know all of you do this, right? Okay, children. So, children, today we have learned by looking at the picture what is going on in the picture, right? Today we were able to say the story by looking at the pictures in this storybook. So, children, that's all for today. See you in our next class. Okay, children, bye. Take care.